here is a summation question, okay, and then you're asked to use a method of differences. Method of differences means you try to reconstruct this fraction into two fractions, the difference of two fractions. Okay, how do we solve this question? How to solve this expansion? Okay, the very first thing, we may want to look at the denominator. Okay, the denominator 3 to the power r. So the base is r. The base is 3 to the power r. So try to get something 3 for the top. Okay, so how to make it 3? And then because we want the difference, we also want the negative sign. So we have a minus 2r here. You may want to do something like minus r, because minus r minus 2r becomes minus 3r. But we are not allowed to change the question. So whatever you have done, you must make sure that you have to be able to cancel off. Like for example, I minus r, but I must plus r. And the reason I want to minus r because minus 2r minus r becomes minus 3r. But I cannot just simply minus r, I must add a r. So we'll be back to the same question. Okay. So now I have 1 minus 2r minus r plus r. And I combine minus 2r and minus r become minus 3r. And then move the plus r to the front. So 1 plus r. Okay, now I split this fraction into two fractions. Okay, so it becomes 1 plus r over 3 to the power r minus 3r over 3 to the power r. Okay, and you can see that now all the bases are 3. Okay, except this, especially the denominator. So 3 to the power nothing is 3 to the power 1. Okay, so this is 3r is 3 to the power 1 times r. So this fraction we keep it, this term we keep it. The other terms, 3 divided by 3 to the power r, so the power will be r minus 1, r minus 1. So the top is r. Okay, now we can expand it. Okay, how to expand it from here? Okay, if r is 1, I have 2 over 3, 1 minus 1 over 3, 0. Okay. And if r is 2, the next term, because r equal 1 all the way to n, r equal n. So summation is plus. You sum up all the terms from 1, r equal 1 to r equal n. So the next one, when r is 2, so 2 plus 1 would be 3. And then 3 to the power of 2 minus 2, r is 2, and then r is 2, 2 minus 1 is power 1. Okay. And we do the same for the next one, r equal 3. R equal 3, we get this. And then r equal 4. You can kind of see the pattern here. Okay, and all the way, see, go to the end, the last term will be, if r is n, so we have 1 plus n over 3 to the power n minus, okay, from here, see, so r is n, will be 3n minus 1. Okay. And at the term before this, can do backwards. The term before this would be n 3 n minus 1 be just 1 n minus 1 over 3n minus 2. Okay, the term before this, so will be just one number different. Okay, this is n minus 1, n minus 1, the term before will be n minus 2. Okay, if you look at this pattern, you can see that if we remove the bracket, this is plus, this is minus, you can cancel. Plus and minus, we cancel. Okay, and then plus and minus, we cancel. So we kind of cancel all the way to the end. Okay, only left with this term and this term. So the minus 1 over 3 to the power 0 plus 1 plus n 3 to the power n. Okay, so 3 to the power 0 is 1. So 1 divided by 1 minus 1 plus. So this is how we get the summation simplified. So this is the answer.